Welcome back, guys. We are going to do eyelashes today. As you can see from this Frankie that I did a few months ago, they have these beautiful glamtastic eyelashes. And I really like the way that they look on them. I think it, I don't know. I just really like it. And so I want to do the same for Claudine. However, with Frankie, if you look close, you can see that the lashes are dark, but they're not black. On dolls with paler skin, I go for coffee. I use coffee N2046 in our store for lashes. That's what I typically use. However, Claudine's got a warmer skin tone, and with it being Monster High, and with Monster High, you can always kind of, go a little extra. So let's try a metallic shimmer. We're going to try our metallic shimmer black lashes. Now, what I'm holding is a sample. We get asked all day long if a sample is enough to reroute like a Monster High doll. What do you think? A sample is enough to do a set of eyelashes. That's pretty much it. Maybe like you can get like maybe 12 plugs out of this, give or take. So it's a way better deal to buy either the half ounce or the 1 ounce, which the 1 ounce is the best value. So don't buy samples, you guys. End of story. But I did want to show what a sample size looked like, and that, you can use it to root lashes. And so I'm going to put Claudine over here to the side here for a moment. And I will be rooting with a number 7 needle. That is the smallest needle we sell. You always want to use small needles when doing eyelashes. So rerooting lashes freehand, like I'm going to do with Claudine, versus like if you were doing it on a mod Barbie or like a doll that has rooted lashes, or maybe a Dawn doll, etc., etc. Those have holes, and you're able to follow the pattern, just like regular rooting pattern. And so that is a little easier, because then you're definitely going to get a straight line, assuming that the factory did a straight line. Okay, we're going to want just teeny tiny strands. Just going to lay a few of them out. I love the way that metallic shimmer has just this beautiful shine. Like, I actually rerooted my mini me in metallic shimmer. The metallic shimmer is nylon. It is not tinsel. It is not polypropylene. It is nylon. All right. I like to lay my plugs on uneven surface, because then it allows it to be picked up nice and easy. So the thing about shorter hair, and you don't have to cut it in half. If you want to use it full length, like, knock yourself out. That's the thing about the short hair that I'm not great with, because I don't cut the hair short, or I don't cut the hair in half very often. I prefer to root with the full hank and then just trim later. It's a little harder to hold on to And you also, let's say you're doing like a bob or something, the ends aren't going to be even because you cut it. So we're going to go to about here, and see, we're going quite low. You don't want to go too high on her lid. Nope, there's a couple stray pieces. That's fine. Just pull those away. Bam, just like that. It's so easy, you guys. Oh, I think this metallic shimmer is going to be perfect on her. It was my husband's idea, actually. The black I wanted to use, we didn't have in stock right now. And so he's like, use the metallic shimmer. We got lots of that. I was like, ooh, I like the sound of that. I like the length. And what's really fun about eyelashes is you can do any color under the sun. I rerooted a G1 pony. It was a Sweetheart Sister. And I rerooted her with, rooted her eyelashes in a hot pink. And it was amazing. Amazing. I loved it. It was so dumb. Ah. So even though there might be some spacing, you can go back and check and see if a plug will fit between there. It doesn't always. It's not going to be, see how it's not really noticeable? It's not going to be super noticeable when it's done. Okay, I am going to root the rest off camera, and we will come back for trimming so you can see how I finished them. So obviously we're not going to keep them this long, but we wanted it at least long enough to be able to reroot, because I tried cutting this length, the 18 inches, into fourths ones, and it did not work. Like it wasn't even long enough to wrap over my finger. So stick with cutting it in half. You know, if you really want to, you could keep this. I don't know what you would do with it, but all right. Nice and crooked. That's why I'm not cutting super short. I also want her eyelashes to be pretty long. I want them feather duster lashes. Okay, let's adjust some things here. Okay, much better. See how you only really see the space when you're looking up through her lashes? You don't see it like really down. So I rooted all the way up till the eye starts to curve downward to the edge of the eye, but not, I didn't want to go farther. You don't want to go farther out than the eye, of course. I don't know if I can cut this straight on camera, to be honest with you. Oh, cute. Okay, I do like the length on this a little bit better. That's like too long. I'm a professional mistake maker, you guys. I just putz around until something works. Another reason why tutorials are so intimidating for me, because I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. You want me to tell you how to do it? I don't know. I probably should have taken her head off her body and put her on the styling stand. This probably would be much more even. I think the metallic black is great for eyelashes because it kind of has that sheen to it. Makes it look really cute. So that's all for today. Thank you guys so much. If you like this, please subscribe, and we will see you again soon. Bye.